Asuntoskehittiin Näkinkuja 4 in Helsinki, staircase B.
I have filmed both of them.
Yeah.
And everything now except one SHT from 1995 and one Otis from 1993. Only 2 left to be filmed out of these 24 photos. So I come with you.
Yeah.
The late one, Valmet Otis.
Yeah.
That's a 1991.
B1 in the 0946.
Turning 30 years old in next year, 2021.
Yeah.
We have seen 2 even later Valmet Otises in Tampere. They're from 1992, but they're being replaced.
Yeah.
But I have filmed both of them. So
Yeah. And also 2 Valmet Otis freight elevators at Lippulaiva-sopimuksen.
Yeah, in Lahti.
And in Espoo, but now they have been demolished.
Yeah.
But I got 2 original ones filmed.
Yeah, the freight ones.
Yeah.
Okay, because I didn't film the freight elevator in Lippulaiva. I
Yeah.
forgot it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too bad I forgot it.
Yeah.
But you have it. I can link there. If I go there in the future.
Yeah. 4 Brossaa 325 kilograms. Inspektit paikki vain inspektät. Mä en teen paikki on.
Good maintenance.
Yeah.
Usually, the car buttons on these elevators are red or light red. When I was small, I thought that was interesting. Why they were red.
Yeah.
No, that's good.
That's